In the second class, we had statement types, and we note what would you like to ask and exam, and how do you like to ask. It becomes much easier for us to get an answer, and that is what it is all about. In the types of statements, we can find the listening comprehension text, which consists of listening to various types of statements that are presented in the images. In these images, we can also find the statement about activities, conditions, or location. The activity describes some action or activity that the image is presenting. It is according to what the image want to reflect. For example, if a man appear in image reading the menu in a restaurant, the activity in the photograph will be reading. In addition, this statement can be used the present continuous tense. And the point that is the second is about the declaration, especially for the condition. Some declaration describe what is the condition of the object and that we can see in image, for example, what they are or where they are or how they are. And there are two pots. For example, if I say there are two pots on the small table, in this case, the essential thing is that the person can identify the objects and how is the state where they are. And when we see the photograph, we can identify quickly the object that can appear in the image and depend on which statement the person can use. The condition also makes use of the expression like is, are, or the verbs is, are, or had, and has. In the point number 3, we have the part where the location is presented. This location describes the object or people found in a photograph with use of the preposition of place, such as with, at, by, to, in, for, front, of, on, and other. And in this part is easy to identify where the objects are or where the people are. Once you listen to the audio, you can pay attention if the speaker mentions preposition of the object that may appear in the image, which this statement you can help you choose the correct answer. And finally, we had the technique for this week. The technique is named as knowing the necessary factor to better understand the audio. We know that the instructions are a necessary measure that every student must take into account when taking an exam. Before you start studying for an assignment, make sure you understand the format of each session to make listening comprehension easier. And most of the time, it is good to listen to the instruction of the activity.